flatte ma puissance.
So what's your name?
Elie.
Elie?
Yeah, or Elie.
What part of Paris did you grow up in?
I grew up in the 4th arrondissement, and it's Saint-Paul-le-Marais, which is very famous, and I went to school here, like from junior high school, like 11 years old, to like 1 year ago, I was here, and that's why I wanted to go elsewhere, like in the 19th, because I was a bit tired of here, because I was spending all my days in here, but the nights I was going in other districts, and I was like, man, why am I living here? Because it's beautiful, but it's a kind of parenthesis or a bubble inside Paris.